Good morning and welcome to another vlog. We are here today at Fantasy Island in Skegness. Well, Ingermells, but it's basically Skegness. And it is looking to be a good day. Things are testing, everything looks like it's operational. So yeah, we're gonna hit all the big ones. The ice mountain isn't ready yet, that'll be ready in a couple of weeks. We're probably gonna come down for the opening of that. And yeah, it is a beautiful day. It's a little bit chilly, but as long as things keep running, that's fine by me. I am excited to get on these. I have not done these coasters in years because every time we come, they're not working. So this is going to be a good day.
We're watching it go.
You're watching it go?
Yeah.
You're going to go on it?
We're gonna go on it.
Jesse!
I'm not gonna go here.
So for the ride systems here, you can either buy a card, which you preload credit onto, and then it's X amount per ride, depending on what ride it is, or you can buy the wristbands, which are these ones. I've got the blue one. The blue one is basically you can go on anything. The red one is for the slightly less intense ones, and then the yellow ones are actually free, but they're for under 0.8 meters, I believe. So that's all the kiddie rides. So it's nice that that one's free. So now the big rides are open. The Millennium Coaster, I'm going to hit that one first. Yeah, because it closes a lot more than it's operational. So yeah, I'm so excited to be getting on it. I love the theming inside here. It's been so well done since it's been overhauled. It's very, very good. This is how long it's been since I've rode this coaster, the Millennium Coaster. I've never been in this queue line before. Back when I did it, it was the original colours, and yeah. So we're just in a front row ride to start the day on Millennium, and that is amazing. I love that coaster. I did that when it first opened, and I haven't really done it since, so it's been a good few years. But it's brilliant, it's stood the test of time, it's fantastic. The new paint job looks really good. It reminds me of the Green Goblin a bit. But yeah, it's a good one, nice one to start with. I'm now going to go do Odyssey, because that, I think I've only ever ridden that once, because it's just never open. But yeah, looking forward to it. It's a nice smooth one. So let's go find it. So just an Odyssey, third row from front. That was a seriously load rougher than what I remember. I don't know if it's just where I was sat, but that was, yeah, that was like headbanging. That was, yeah. Might try the back row to see if it's any different. There wasn't operating, they wasn't running on every seat. There was some just sort of ratchet strapped up for whatever reason that is, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's go see what the kiddies and the wife's doing. Fantasy Island has a very vast arcade area. Yeah, there's all sorts in here. There's everything you expect from an arcade. There's even a little bowling alley a bit further up here. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's good. It's what you expect from the Seaside resort. But everything's sort of very fresh and new and well kept. And yeah, we're now going to head into sort of like the kiddies area bit where the rides are, because I really like them. I think they're done ever so well. And yeah, it's a good day. So this is the sort of little kids area bit, and new for this year is actually the high ropes just behind me. Seems to be quite popular. There's a fair queue there. Yeah, it looks interesting. It's a nice use of the space because it sort of wasn't used for a lot. It interacts with the little ride that goes through here, the little on the rail. Also got this little one down here, which is a good one for the kids. So yeah, it's nice. Seaquarium. So we're on the Seaquarium. Jessica is not a big fan.
She doesn't like the dark.
So hiya. She doesn't like the dark. It's nice. There's some dinosaurs. Callum. Yeah, I know. It's a dinosaur's bum, look.
Where shoals of sea creatures and nameless things are captured for your delight. Where shoals of sea creatures are captured for your delight.
That's a little bit creepy. So we're on Jungle Adventure. Yeah. Callum's driving. He's driving the zebra. Tigers.
That's the mummy lion.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah, look at all the animals.
up, amigos!
Roll up.
This way for the secret of
Fantasy Island.
Oh wow. Bong 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 bong.
They were using
Yeah. What's he doing?
He's holding the
He looks hungry. So just under the roller coasters is where they have the beach in the summer. It's all full of sand, and yeah, it's like a party central place. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they've already got some party dates on the calendar that you can check out. It's not something I've ever been to, but yeah, might hit it up this year. It's like this is my local sort of park, I should say. I used to come here a lot when I was younger, like before I was in the enthusiast stage. Used to come on like a Sunday afternoon or something just to kill a few hours. But yeah, it's a park that I've always grown up with and I've watched it develop, and yeah, it's nice to see what it's become today. A vast improvement of what it used to be. I must say, the staff here today are extremely helpful, and yeah, they've got a very good team working here now. Yeah, when I was back in the day, it was a bit of a sort of rough and ready area, but now they've definitely brought it more to the families, and it's up there with all the other parks with service expectations, etc. It's a nice place to be, and I highly recommend you visit if you haven't already. The actual mountain in the middle of the tent has a projection mapping show on it at 2, 4 and 6 every day, I believe. And yeah, that's quite nice to see if you've not seen that sort of thing before. It's very well done. There's a dinosaur. So I just had another ride on Millennium, went for the back row. Yeah, it's good front and back. It's brilliant. I love it. So yeah, that's going to be my final ride of the day. We've sort of had enough now. We're going to make our way back. But yeah, it's been a really good day. Got loads of rides. The park has been dead all day. It's been fantastic. So yeah, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.